Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mim from grade 6 Taiba Public School. Welcome to today's debate on the topic artificial intelligence. Boon or Ben? We have two teams here. Team 1 will argue in favor of AI and Team 2 will present its disadvantages. Okay, so let's begin with Team 1. Miss Armin, you have 2 minutes for your opening statement. Please.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Armin Parveen from Standard 6. Artificial intelligence is shaping our world for the better. First, AI is improving healthcare. It helps doctors make faster and more accurate diagnosis. For example, AI detects cancer in scan quicker than human doctor, leading to early treatment. Second, AI is transforming daily life. Voice assisting like Siri and Alexa help us with tasks like setting reminder and playing music, making our day-to-day activities easier and more efficient. And finally, AI is solving big global problems. It analyzes large amount of data to find solutions for issues like climate change and disease prevention, making scientists informed decisions. In conclusion, AI is a boon because it enhances healthcare, simplifies life, and helps solve global problems. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Armin. Now Team 2 will present their arguments. Miss Suhana, you have also 2 minutes for your opening statement. Please.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Swana from Standard 6. While AI offers some benefits, it has many downsides. First, AI replaced by human. Robot and AI systems are taking over jobs that were performed by humans. For example, cashier are replaced by self-checkout machine and truck driver could be replaced by self-driving vehicles. Second, AI creates serious privacy concerns with AI tracking our every move through facial recognition and online data. Our personal information is at risk. Government and companies could misuse the data, leading to surveillance and loss of privacy. Lastly, AI is not perfect and can make wrong decisions. If the data is used by AI is a bias, the AI will make biased decisions. For example, AI systems are used is higher could unfair reject people based on biased data. To conclude, AI systems unfair decision making. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Suhana. Now let's hear from Team 1, Miss Lisha. Miss Lisha, you have 2 minutes for your rebuttal. Please.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lisa Mandra, studying in class 6. While AI concerns are valid, let's look at the positive. First, AI creates new jobs as industries become more teach-driven. AI open opportunities in areas like programming, data analysis, and robotics. So people need to build and maintain this AI system. Second, AI can enhance human direction, not replace it. In healthcare, AI does not replace doctor. It helps them make faster and more accurate decisions. The same goes for many industries where AI support workers and employers efficiently. Finally, AI is not perfect, but it continuously improving. In conclusion, AI create opportunities, enhance human work, and can make it develop self. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Lisha. Now let's hear from Team 2, Mr. Ismat. Mr. Ismat, you have also 2 minutes for your rebuttal. Please.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Madhur Rahman and I am studying in class 6. While AI may create jobs, it also leads to massive job loss. Many people in industries like retail, transportation and customer service are at risk when they are based on basic data. Second, AI can be improving but it's not can be influenced. Self-driving cars have caused accidents and AI systems sometimes makes mistakes, especially when they are based on basic data. These mistakes can be harmful and have serious consequences. Finally, AI ability to track and store data puts our privacy at risk. Even if AI can be regulated, it's difficult to ensure that personal data isn't missed. The potential for AI to invalidate privacy measure is a major concern. In conclusion, AI lead to job loss, mistakes, and privacy violations. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ismat. Now it's time for the closing statement. Let's hear from Team 1, Ms. Armin. Now you have only 1 minute, please.
Thank you.
AI is here to stay and it is a boon. It improves healthcare, simplifies our life and helps solve complex problems like climate change. Yes, there are challenges but with careful regulation, AI can be developed benefit to everyone. Instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it as a powerful tool to create a better future for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Armin. Finally, let's hear from Team 2, Miss Suhana. Miss Suhana, you have 1 minute.
Thank you. While AI offers some benefits, the risk is big. Job loss, privacy concerns, and mistakes are too great to ignore. We must have ensured that AI does not control our lives and harm society. It is important to focus on human well-being and over technology. In conclusion, AI should be approached carefully. We must have priorities protecting job and privacy while using AI responsibly. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Suhana, and thank you to both teams for such thoughtful arguments. It is clear that while AI has great potential, it also comes with risks that need to be addressed. Okay, so let's give a round of applause to our debaters. Thank you all for being such an attentive audience. Thank you.